Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and you're watching Yazz'n It Up, and today's video I have for you guys is a haul. I got some things from Target, from TJ Maxx, and I went online and ordered from Too Faced. So if you guys are interested in seeing all of the makeup and skincare goodies that I recently picked up, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I didn't get too much from Target, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start there. The first thing that I picked up, this is the oil-free eye makeup remover from Up and Up. This is like the Target brand that they have there. So basically, every time I do my eye makeup, I will dip my eyeshadow brush in here, and then I'll take a paper towel and wipe it off. That way I'm like spot cleaning my brushes, and then every month or however often I wash my makeup brushes, I'll do a deep clean with a soap and hot water. So this is just really like a quick spot clean that I use with this. So this is awesome. I always repurchase this one. So I picked up another one of these. And then also from Target, I needed a backup mascara. So I just picked up this Rimmel London. This is the Scandalize Retro Glam. This is just a basic mascara. I've never tried it before, but Rimmel is super affordable. So I went ahead and picked this one up. My favorite is the Essence mascaras, and I could have sworn that Essence was sold at Target, but I could not find it. So I just went ahead and picked this one up. And then usually I always get the Wet n Wild's black eyeliner, and they did not have any in stock, so I just picked this one up from Milani. This is their matte eyeliner, and it's in the shade matte black, so hopefully this one works really well for me. So I needed a backup black mascara because the one that I'm using right now from Wet n Wild, it's getting a little bit dry, so I don't want to run out. And then lastly from Target, I picked up this super cute powder. This is from Beauty Bakery. This is the Bite Size Pinch of Flowers Setting Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Oat. It's like their translucent shade. Like, this thing is like super tiny, and this was $12. I feel like that was a little bit expensive just for a teeny tiny powder. This packaging is adorable. It's literally like flour, and then they have like the calories and the nutritional facts over here. It is literally so cute. So let me go ahead and pop this open. Here's what she looks like. It has a beautiful gold packaging here. Like I said, it's the Beauty Bakery Bite Size Pinch of Flour, and this is 0.25 ounces. There's not much in here, but I'm super excited to try this guy out. All right, let's go ahead and jump into Too Faced. So they were having their 65% off sale. I don't know if it was like an annual sale or what it was. Honestly, I wasn't even looking for Too Faced. I was looking up another peach powder from I Heart Revolution, and of course their peach powder popped up, and then it said, oh, Too Faced is having a 65% off sale. Next thing I know, I'm in the rabbit hole and I'm swiping my credit card and ordering from Too Faced. So this purchase was definitely an impulse buy, but nonetheless, I'm excited because I've been wanting to try some of these Too Faced products for a while, and they're just so expensive. So the one thing that I really wanted to try was their peach powder. This is the Too Faced translucent, and this is mattifying, it says, and it's just their loose powder. And here's what this looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this pretty much everywhere. I'm so excited. So I think this was like $17 I paid for it, and it's usually like $38 maybe. So I'm so excited to try this. I love testing out loose powders. Next thing I got is actually a Christmas present for my sister. This is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Enamel Pin Trio. It has a little pineapple, it has a cherry, and it has the raspberry on it. This is super cute. My sister collects enamel pins, and I needed something to get me over, I think it was like $50 to get free shipping or something like that. And one, I knew she liked the pens, and two, I needed it to get free shipping. So she doesn't usually watch my videos, so I feel comfortable sharing this. If not, she has an insight of one of her Christmas presents. Next item I have here, this is the Prime and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. Let's go ahead and pop this open. This is just their little travel size. They do have a bigger one of this, and it just says it's a cooling matte skin perfecting primer. I'm so excited to be testing this guy out, so I also picked this up from the website. Next thing I have here, this is their Comfort Matte Foundation. So this is the Peach Perfect Foundation, and funny enough, I got mine in the shade Butterscotch. You guys are able to see how dark this sucker is. I am obviously not this dark. For some reason, every time I get foundations from the drugstore, it always ends up being so much lighter than what I need it to be. Even though I'm standing there for like 10 minutes trying to figure out if this is the right shade, it always ends up being lighter. So the shade shade that I think would have matched my skin tone, they didn't have it. So I just picked one that was darker than my skin tone but wasn't completely off, and that was in the shade Butterscotch. So let me go ahead and pump some of this out for y'all. So that way, because I have a darker one, I feel like when I mix it in with some of my lighter foundations, I would be able to get a better shade. So it's not completely like way off of my skin tone, but it's pretty dark for me. But when I mix this in, I feel like it's gonna make a really awesome foundation shade for me with some of my other drugstore foundations. So I'm super excited to test this foundation out because I've heard a lot of great things about it. So that was another thing that I picked up from the website. And the next thing, I'm just pulling them out of the box here. This is the Peach Mist, the mattifying setting spray. I'm super excited about this guy. Has like something in it, maybe like a ball or something to help shake the product up. It literally says "Shake Me a Baby" on the sticker here. How adorable. So I'm so excited to be trying out the setting spray. I love trying setting sprays out, and I've been eyeing this guy for a hot minute. Next product that I picked up from the website, this is the Melted Matte Liquefied Long Wear Lipstick. This is the collaboration that they did, that they was like based on like his dog or something like that. Clover or Chloe, I'm not quite sure. But I got this in the shade Melted Clover 2. So Clover was the dog's name. And let me go ahead and swatch this color for you guys. This packaging is just so cute. Here's what this color looks like. It's a very cute like pink shade. I'm so excited to try this lipstick out. I love the formula, and I think that this color is super adorable. So I can't wait to put this on my lips. Next thing in the box, I was able to pick up 2 samples. So the 2 that I picked up was the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Cream. It says it's a night cream. And then I also picked up the Replenishing Face Primer. So these little samples were in my box, so that was very nice. I'm excited to try these 2 out. Another thing that I was able to get for free, like if I spent a certain amount, was this little makeup bag. It just says Too Faced on it and established in 1998. It's just like a clear pink bag. I can store like makeup brushes in here or my makeup if I'm taking like a weekend trip. So this is really nice, super cute. And then the thing that came inside of that little bag was this Hangover Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water, and it says it's silicone free. So I've tried this before and it's not my favorite primer. I think I have the full size of this. I'm pretty sure I have the full size of this primer too, but now I have this little travel size. And last but not least, that I got from Too Faced, this is the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Setting Spray. Let me go ahead and pop this open. This is just a little travel size of the 3-in-1 Hangover Setting Spray, and I'm super excited to try this one out too. I'm more excited about the peach setting spray, but this one I'm excited about too because like I said, I love trying setting sprays and like loose powders out. That's like my favorite. So, and this is the last thing that I picked up from Too Faced. Alrighty, last but not least, I have some goodies from TJ Maxx. So let me go ahead, I'm just gonna pull them out from the bag. I went really crazy on a sheet mask this round because my drawer where I keep my sheet mask is just a little bit low, so I went ahead and picked up a bunch. So this first one here, this one was on clearance. This is why it has a red tag here. This is the aloe vera face mask. It says it's calming and soothing, and this I believe has 10 in here, and it was only $5.50. So I feel like that was a pretty good deal. So I'm so excited to try these, especially during the summer. I love doing an aloe vera mask, and even though summer is coming to an end, you can use aloe vera all year round. Super hydrating. So I'm super excited to be trying these out, and especially since now I have 10, hopefully I end up falling in love with these sheet masks. Next pack of sheet masks that I got, this one is from Vital Beauty. This is the Sake Dewy Skin Facial Mask with Japanese wine and vitamin C. So there's 5 sheet masks in here, and this one I picked up for $4. So I went ahead and picked this one up. Like I said, this one was on clearance. The next pack of sheet masks I got, this is the 9tox Hydrogel Mask, and this one is from Celderma. This has 4 masks in it, and I got this on clearance for $3. All of my sheet masks that I got today were on clearance. They always have a bunch of them there. So originally this was $3.99, and even though I only saved $1, I'm paying less than $1 per sheet mask for this. So I'm super excited about this. This is a Korean skincare brand, so I know that they have some some top-notch skincare, so I'm super excited to try these out as well. And I believe that this is the last pack of sheet masks that I got from TJ Maxx this round. This is the turmeric face mask. This is from the Creme Shop. I've tried so many Creme Shop sheet masks, and I heard that turmeric is super good for your skin. So I went ahead and picked this up. There's 5 of the sheet masks in here, and there's only for $3. So I feel like that was super affordable, and I love like the dark red packaging. Like, it just drew me in right away. So I'm super excited to test these ones out too. I know turmeric has a very strong scent, so I'm curious to see if these have that strong scent in it. So I'm very excited to try these out. It has turmeric and ginger in it, so it has to be great for your skin. Moving right along, I picked up another setting spray. This one is from BH Cosmetics, and this was on clearance for $4.50, originally $5.99. Go ahead and pop this open. This is the Paradise Set Mattifying Setting Spray. So I'm so excited to be testing this guy out. I'm not sure why it was on clearance. I went ahead and I even sprayed it to make sure that the nozzle worked, and it did. So I'm super excited to be trying this out. There was no funky scent when I sprayed it, so I'm not sure why it was on clearance, but I'm super excited to test this guy out. I love the bright pink packaging too, and BH Cosmetics is such an affordable brand, and they have some really great stuff. Next item that I got from TJ Maxx is this hairbrush here. This is the Wet Paddle Detangler brush. For some reason, I just felt like I needed a new brush in my life. The one that I have right now, I've been using for years, and even though I clean it and I get rid of all the hair that's like trapped in the brush, I just felt like it was time for a new one. So I got a new one. This one has a super cute paddle. It's like a florally pattern. So I went ahead and picked up this wet brush, and this was only $4.99. Next item I got was in the clearance section as well. I totally freaked when I saw this. This is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This I got for $6, and these are super great. I remember trying a sample size of this, and instantly I noticed results right after I washed it off my face. Then I looked at the full price, and I was like, oh my god. So I was so excited and hyped when I saw that this was on clearance. There was nothing wrong with it. It's not dried out or anything, but I do need to use this up because I know that these dry out very quickly. Going out, and here in North Carolina, especially in our area, we are required to wear face masks again. So when I go out, I have the face mask obviously on, and I'm starting to get some more breakouts on my face again, which is why I'm not wearing any type of makeup. I have my mascara and my eyebrows on, but I didn't put anything on my face because I'm actually going out today, and it's super hot. It's like over 95 degrees today, and I wanted to let my skin breathe, especially if I would be wearing a face mask. So hopefully this will be able to help me out with my breakout areas on my cheek area. So hopefully this will help a girl out. So I'm so excited about this, and I have one more item from TJ Maxx that I got. All right, and last but not least, another item that was on clearance. This was $4.50, originally $5.99. This is the matte makeup setting spray. I don't know how to pronounce the brand. Valjean Labs, maybe? I'm not sure. You guys will be able to see for yourself, but this is a beautiful frosted glass bottle, and this setting spray is 6 fluid ounces. I feel like that's a lot for $4.50. I feel like that's like drugstore prices, so that's super good. The nozzle works fine. It has a lovely scent to the actual product, so I'm super excited to be testing this out. I've never heard of this brand before, and I just think that the packaging is beautiful, so I'm super excited to test this guy out as well. Alright friends, that is everything for our mini beauty haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have an entire playlist of my hauls that I have on my channel. I will go ahead and link that in the iCards for you guys if you guys enjoy beauty hauls. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below if you guys are interested in beauty related content. And shortly I do hope to start including some more lifestyle, organizing, cleaning, cooking, baking type videos, because even though I absolutely love makeup, my interests are changing, and I'm really into the get it done with me videos, the cooking and the baking, of course. So I want to start including those kind of things, like other things in my life that I appreciate, into my channel other than beauty. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click that notification bell. That way you know when I upload my new videos. If you aren't already following me on social media, I post on my Instagram and my Snapchat. I try to do it regularly. It doesn't usually happen, especially on my story. So definitely go ahead and follow me. That'll all be listed down below for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the last bit of summer that we have, and have a great day.